Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how can you turn off your iPhone keyboard sound and disable your typing clicks in sound settings. To disable your keyboard sound in settings, what you need to do is firstly open your settings. From here, scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. Now you need to scroll down and go to your keyboard feedback. And now if you have toggled down your sound, make sure you're toggling this off. If you toggle this off, this will immediately stop the clicking sound when typing. So you can also toggle off your haptic sound, which is optional. So by following this, you can easily toggle off your clicking sound on the keyboard. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.